Potholes, man, it's everywhere. Being in a city like Bangalore, I expected better roads. But on my regular route, there will be a good number of potholes. I know where to cut and bypass the holes while riding on my bike. Recently, while going back from work, I found out the potholes were fixed. I was like, wow, what happened? There are patches in the road now. My mind says the potholes are there, but visually it isn't. This reminds me of potholes being like sin in our lives. All those wrongdoings in our lives leave a dent around in our souls. A remedy for this is Jesus Christ. He is our only cure for the sin disease. He has already patched up all our sins on the cross. The only thing we need to do is to believe and put our faith in Him. In the book of Hebrews chapter 12, verses 1 and 2 says, "Therefore, since we are surrounded by so great a cloud of witnesses, let us also lay aside every weight and sin which clings so closely, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us, looking to Jesus, the founder and perfecter of our faith, who, for the joy that was set before Him, endured the cross, despising the shame, and is seated at the right hand of the throne of God." So, my friend, are we all patched up today?